Wellis started production of the first spa in Ózd in May 2021. In September 2021, we had already reached the production of 1000 spa in 1 month. This has now doubled and continues to increase. Every month we introduce 2-3 types of new products. In December 2021, and after a successful TÜV audit in Ózd, we started to supply the North American market. From January 2022, we started to produce the premium peak line range family pool in Ózd too. In addition to the product launches and the improvement of the production, it is also important to develop our supporting infrastructure. We have built a 24,000 square meter logistics center where we store the materials and a 2,300 square meter extruder hall that is capable of installing 8 extruder lines. There are also 2 new assembly lines and 2 body production lines in progress, where we almost 100% of the pools we produce by robots. With all of these improvements, our manufacturing capacity will be nearly tripled. Beside that, we maintaining our excellent production quality. However, these developments and improvements are not enough on their own. We need people who are committed to the quality, competent and positively motivated. This gives life to our investments and to our products. This will guarantee that Wellis will continue to move forward at pace, develop on the path we started decades ago, and strengthen and even improve its position as one of the world's leading spa pool manufacturing elite.